Now we got another food review. Fred OatHill keeps bothering me about food reviews. This is a sweet tea, pure leaf. Now we got the chicken tenders from Chester's. I'm here in Kansas right now. I'm no longer in Colorado. I'm now in Kansas. That's fucking biblical. I'm in Kansas now, so I walked inside this gas station, a fucking truck stop here, and they got a fucking Dorothy statue inside the fucking truck stop here. That's alright. Biblical Beast tenders. See my last video, my Biblical Beast wrenches? Those wrenches I had, those are wrenches for Beast. So you shouldn't fucking see them. In my last video, these are wrenches for Beast. These are Beast wrenches. Okay. These are Beast wrenches. Beast wrenches. They got a beast sound to them when you set them down. Clang. Anyway, I'm Reggie Rob. I approve this fucking video.